Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you're doing well. Jer writes here, and by the way, he's a white nat, and Elon Musk reposts him a lot. He comes across to me as someone who's really whiny, but I think his rhetoric is worth examining, and that's what we're going to do here, inshallah. Let's read what he writes. He states, white men should start using solidarity language. For example, white men should greet each other with brother, and then exclude it when talking to non-whites. Only a white man is brother. Non-whites already do this, and then help white men in school or work. Positive discrimination. Now, there's something really interesting about this. I know blacks do that a lot, and that's the only group I really see, but I do see some Latinos say hermano, compañero, something like that, but it's not the same. And I know that Latinos have la raza, elements of that, such nature. Now, us Muslims do call each other brother and sisters in faith. And I think that's fine. And we don't call a disbeliever a mu'min. They're kafirs. So I can't criticize him on that. But the nuance here is about race. I'm not your sister because I'm white. You'll be my sister if you're my bloodline, like relative, sibling, get it? Or you're a believer. I am not your kin. I am not within your tribe because we are white. And if you notice online, the youths already say bro. When bro is bruv, bro, brah. They already use that. And women already say like, hey sister, hey sis, auntie, things like that. So, it's not gonna slap the same. The communists call each other comrade. The Republican Christians sometimes call themselves patriots. You already have inclusive and exclusive language. But this seems kind of strange. It just seems really strange, like almost desperate to use black language for white men. You know what I'm trying to say? Like when I would hear in Philadelphia, hey brother, that's my black brother, my brother from another mother, you'd hear like, you don't know, I didn't care at all. Like they have a different type of solidarity. And so, will this work? I don't think so. Don't think so really. But I just think that this attempt to create white identitarianism isn't going to work as well because people are growing out of it. And you can have solidarity with people around proper subjects. Like he should call his Christian fellows brother and sister. It shouldn't be about race. And how can you call a Christian who's white your brother the same as a pagan who's white? A heathen? That doesn't make a lot of sense to me. You can't have fellowship with everyone. A hippie will say, we have fellowship with all the human race. And you're like, you say that, but you don't. There's nothing wrong, I think, with having your in-group and out-group, but you do have a duty towards people in general to be a decent person and whatnot. And affectionate language should be saved for people who you truly have affection for. And I'd argue that having affection for people just based on race is absurd, because there's a lot of evil people who will share your skin shade, and why would you use an endearing term towards them? That doesn't... So should the Russians and Ukrainians call themselves brother and sister? I don't think so. And when you notice distinctions between the Latinos, they will say things like, oh, you're from Guatemala. They have like, if you're from Guatemala, they call you a Chapin. If you're from Mexico City, they'll call you Chango. Like, they have different terminologies for people from different areas. And there's indigenous people still in Mexico, and they get discriminated against by the people who are descendants of the Spaniards. They share the same skin shade, yet they differentiate between each other based on those lineages. So, you can't call someone brother or sister solely based on that. Solely based on your skin shade. Someone from Ireland doesn't have the same brotherhood or sisterhood with you because they're pale. Like, oh, you're from France, so you're the exact same, and I should call you a sister because you're pale. What? No, it doesn't work like that. Like, that would be like people from Japan and China and Korea saying we're brothers and sisters because of our eye shape. Huh? I don't think so. So let me know what you think. What is your take on this? As Muslims, how would we react to someone telling us something like this? Let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and join the blog.